Okay, now I'm going to do this live on two different cameras. Today is the 8th or the 9th. I'll have to double check. I don't remember. It's Tuesday. However, irrelevant. I'll put that as part of the timestamp for the device. Plus, you can look at the creation date. What I want to show, and I'm trying to do this through both cameras simultaneously here, as you can see. What I want to show is how bad of a storm I had last night. And remember that I have a porch on the front, or did. That's on the inside. Now, what's built in has already fallen, but the hole from that line where the top window and the bottom window meet, from there down, disappeared. Now, I want you to remember that's a window. And I do mean that's glass down there. This is glass. This is glass. What you're seeing is on the inside of glass. The storm was so bad it came through the glass and stuck. Badly. And under the porch, you'll see where I have the chairs. Those chairs were over here against the wall. They got pulled out and knocked down, and there is still no tracks. And look at the van. I have non-stick coatings on my windows, and it did not fall off. And you can see the snow drifts along my tires. Now, what's really horrifying is the simple fact that the snowplows have been through twice, and cars are still digging trenches out there. That's what came through the porch.